Hello guys, welcome to today's session in Quantsapp, and today we'll be talking about how you can analyze like which resistance is gonna break and which support is going to be give you a breakdown. Right now, before starting the video, if you're new here, you can go in the description. There is a link below. You can download and install the web application of Quantsapp. After successful registration, you will get some 25 free tools here that you can use for your trading. Right now, also in the learn section, we have a video library, so you can see here there are multiple videos on Pro Plus tools and various strategies. Right, so at any point of time you feel like you want to see any video, right, or you want to see informational video on some Pro Plus tool, so you can go here and see the videos. Right now, these videos are also available in multiple languages, and you can select your speaker and sort it out as your preference. Okay, now in the profile section we have our support. Okay, so you will get our contact number and email ID. Now at any point of time you are having any doubts or queries, so you can contact us and we will be there to sort your queries out. Right now, let's get back to today's topic, that is how you can analyze like there is a support breakdown or resistance breakout. Okay, so that is what we are gonna talk today. Okay, now first of all, I'll go from here. In the track section there is a option chain. Okay, now in the option chain I can see right now it is a chart of option chain of Nifty. In the option chain of Nifty I can see right now my market is close to 25,500. right, it is moving at 25,506. so this is my OTM price. Now if I'm at this level, so I can see if I'll go down, so there are so many call writers here. Call writers means who wants market to go below this level. So it means if I'll go below, so the call writers wants market to be below, to remain below from 25,600. right, so market can make a move from 25,500 to 25,600, but it will be difficult for the market to go above it because so many sellers are sitting here. Okay, and you can clearly see it because there is a very huge green bar here. Okay, so that is how you will analyze like at this level there are maximum call sellers. Right, similarly at this level here you can see here in the left hand side, you can see, yeah, from here you can see there is a huge green bar here, red bar. Okay, so in the put side, if you are getting a red bar here, so you can clearly see there are maximum number of put sellers who want market to remain above from this level. Okay, so this level is 25,500. so right now my market is struggling between 25,500 to 25,600. right, so you can say these are my support and resistance. You can say that. Why not? Because if I'll tell you, if I'm making my support and resistance, so the open interest plays a very vital part in making support and resistance. So I can clearly say this can be my resistance, right? This can be my resistance. So my resistance can be 25,600. Okay, and what could be my support? So my support can be this one, that is where the maximum number of put sellers are sitting here. So this is 25,500. Okay, and right now my market is between 25,474. Okay, so if my market is 25,474 and my support is 25,500, okay, and 25,600 is my very strong resistance. So right now my market is here 25,477. Okay, so these are the people, that is my strong support, that want market to remain above it, and these are the people who wants market to be below 25,600. so clearly my call sellers are heavy right now, they are winning, and that is why my market is also not only below 25,600 but below 25,500 also. Right, so you can see this is clearly my very strong resistance. Okay, the 25,600. now what if I'll tell you, we can we can take entry whenever this strong resistance can break. Okay, so that is how we take entry in a breakout. Okay, so for that what we have to do, let me clear it. In the trading section we have a tool that is called a trap indicator. Okay, now what trap indicator tells you? It tells you at which level the call writers or the put writers are getting trapped. Right, for example, let's suppose this was a level. For suppose here it is a level and there are some call writers are sitting Okay, call writers who want market to remain below from this level. Now at any point of time, if there is a aggressive buying and if my market will break this level, so that is means now these call writers are being trapped, right? So that is the point when that indicator, that tool will give you a signal that you can initiate your buying at that point of time, right? And also not only for the entry, but if this entry will be this entry will be wrong and your market will go in the downward direction, okay, so it means now you are in loss. So at that time, this indicator, this tool will also give you a signal to make a exit from your position. Okay, let's see how it works. So for that, what we have to do, we have to go here in the trading section. In the trading section, there is a trap indicator. So right now, this is the trap indicator, right? Now, it is giving me a signal that put writers are trapped here. Okay, so put writers are trapped. It means put writers are here. Put writers who want market to be in bullish side, okay, who want market to remain above from this particular level which they have sold, right? Now they are being trapped. It means they want market to remain above this level, but actually the market is going below from this level. So that is why they are being trapped, and this is the time when we can initiate our trade. How we can buy a put here. Okay, from this strike price we can buy a put here, so that when the market will go down, we will be in profit. Okay, or either you can do call writing at this level also if you are a seller. Okay, so you can, if the put writers are getting trapped, so you can do call writing at this strike price or at this level. Okay, so similarly there are various signals for various stocks. Okay, for example, for Ramco Cement, it has given you put writer's trap. Also you can see there is PS and somewhere PB is also written, right? Now when there is a PS signal, it means probable buy. Okay, you can see here the PB means the probable buy, the PS means the probable sell, the PB, whenever there will be a PB written, it means the call writers are getting trapped. So there is a signal that you can initiate your buying. Okay, so that is why the PB is written here. Okay, whenever there is a put writer trap, so at that time the PS is written here. So PS means the probable sell. It means you can go for the selling from that particular position because the market will be in bearish direction now. Okay, so this is how you will get the indication. Okay, now there is one more thing that you have to analyze. For example, here there is a return section, return percent. It means how much percent of return that stock has given you. Okay, for example, let me go a little back here. Okay, so I'll scroll it. Okay, so these where it has given you 0%, these are the indication that we have got recently. That is why there is 0% interest. Okay, now when you will go a little below, so here I can see there is a minus 2.9% returns here, and that is we got here in UBL. Okay, so it means probable sell. Put writers are getting trapped. It means probable sell. The market will go in the downward direction. Okay, and when it got the downward direction, then there is a fall of 2.9% that we have captured in this particular stock, right? And similarly, if you will see others also, so there are so many stocks here with the good returns. Now how you have to select this? You will go with the stock which is giving you interest between 2 to 0. Okay, because if a stock is already giving you an interest of 4 or 5%, then it is already too late to initiate your entry in that particular stock, right? So we'll only go with the stock which is right now giving you a interest of between 0 to 2%. Okay, so that is the indication that stock is good for you and you can make your entry in that particular stock, right? Now what if I'll make my entry here in the 0% where there is a 0%? So there may be chances that there will be a fake breakout. So that is why you should always ignore this, right? And whenever there will be a 0.25%, it means now the price has also increasing, or it is going in your favor. So that is why that is when you have you will make your entry. Okay, now let's see it in the chart. For example, right now I'm going with this Apollo shop. Okay, so for example, call writer trap, it means it is giving me indication of probable buy. PB means probable buy. Okay, so it is a Apollo shop, or what I'll do, I'll just click this signal and I'll directly I can directly go to the chart. Okay, right now it is a 15-minute chart. So it was showing me that here the call writers are trapped. Call writers are trapped means the call writer, they are the people who have sold a level and want market to remain below that level. So for example, this was my very strong resistance, I can see, right? This was my very strong resistance in 15-minute chart, and clearly my stock gave a broke out here, right now it is giving me a unwinding. Okay, so there is a little retest in the market, right? A little retest in the market, but what I can do, I can just make your entry. I can make my entry whenever this red candle or this swing high will get broken. Okay, so if at any point of time this swing high gets broken, I can initiate my entry in this particular stock. Okay, so this is how it will give you a perfect breakout. For example, you can see there that was a very strong resistance here in the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so it gave you a clearly indication that this resistance has been broken, so you can initiate your entry. And similarly, if there will be a breakdown in a breakdown of a support, so you will get that indication also in the trap indicator, right? So this was it about all this was all about the trap indicator and how you can find the support breakdown or the resistance breakout with the help of that, right? So this was all for today's video, guys. Agar aapko pasand aaye, so you can like and share the video. You can also comment us down, right? If you are new to the video, you can also subscribe the channel, right? Thank you so much, guys. This is your trainer Ankit Singh Rawat. Have a good day.